For daily use, I'm using the Mi 5 and Mi 6. For reading or gaming, I'm using Mi Max 2 because of the gigantic screen. Why Xiaomi phones have always been my favorite? Well, today, let's take a look at its newest flagship, Mi 8. In the box, we find the manual warranty card, a simple silicone case, and the Mi 8 itself, a Type-C cable, and a quick charger that supports 18 voltage QC. It does support QC 4.0 Plus, but you have to buy another charger. Sadly though, it still doesn't come with the headphone jack. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi 8 compromises nothing. Generation after generation, they've crammed the latest CPU, graphics card, camera sensor, and the storage device into an enclosure. With that being said, Xiaomi's face unlock is shockingly fast and works in a wide variety of conditions. The Antutu Benchmark reaches up to 270K, still a little bit away from the 300K scores they advertised, but super high already. When you are playing games on it, set the resolution and the frame to the highest, it is still insanely smooth. No lagging, no frames dropping, and doesn't generate too much heat either. For the camera, according to the DxOMark, Xiaomi 8 surpasses iPhone 10 regarding to the image processing. Here we took some pictures under the broad daylight condition and dim light condition. I was really impressed by how the Mi 8 tackles the color and registers the true-to-life color. The pictures look sharp and pleasing. Here I'm not even touching the AI algorithm for the camera, which Xiaomi has put a lot of effort on that. It detects more than 200 scenarios and applies different algorithms respectively. That's marvelous. Speaking of AI, here I'm going to talk about the software on the Mi 8, because that's where Xiaomi seems to be trying to set themselves apart. On MIUI 10, Xiaomi changed the recent to vertical, which maximizes screen space. You can see at least 4 recents now. Also, optimized the full screen display gestures. Swipe to delete tasks, long press for more options. Also, they are more about the interface. You will feel more intuitive and easy to control. Why not test the speed? Here we compare with the MIUI 9 OS and the iPhone 10. Yeah, MIUI 10 is lightning fast. But the coolest part is that MIUI 10 is preloaded with AI. Means the more you use it, the more intelligent it becomes. Welcome to the future, folks. Now, get back to the question in the beginning of the video, why I'm always a big fan of Xiaomi. Well, like the slogan said, let everyone enjoy the innovation of technology. Ever since the first phone of Xiaomi, generation after generation, it gives you the ability to enjoy the newest tech without costing you an arm and a leg. So did with this Mi 8. The unbeatable hardware performance, the superb AI camera, and the most cost-effective price. You just can't get it wrong. So thanks for watching. To get this awesome phone, please check the links in the description. I'm Sammy. See you in next videos.